Srimad Bhagavatam, Skandha 2, Adhyaya 7, Shloka 49. Drida Sambhutam Akasham Liyamane Ghate Yatha Ghato Liyeta Na Akasham Tadvat Jivaha Ghata Upamaha. If the pot is destroyed, Ghataha, the space in the pot Akasha contained in it dissolves into the outer space. The pot is destroyed, but not the space. Similarly, when a person dies, the body or the pot is destroyed, but not the Atma, Jivatma, the embodied one in the body. That is never destroyed. This quotation is from Brahma Bindu Upanishad, verse number 13. The same idea is expressed by Brahma, from whom all the Vedas and Upanishads originated. Sa Shreyasamapi Vibhuhu Bhagavan Yato Asya Bhava Swabhava Vihitasya Sataha Prasiddhihi Dehe Swadhatu Vigame Anu Vishiryamane Vyomeva Tatra Purusho Na Vishiryate Ajaha. Brahma explains to Narada the way to know Paramatma, who is Hari. O Narada, the first step is to understand Brahman or Paramatma as Vibhuhu, the only Lord of all these things. He is also called Bhagavan. Now Brahma explains the life after death. Sataha, good people, perform Vihitaha, good actions with their Bhava Swabhava, which are natural for them, the character which are natural for them. It is due to this Shama or control of the mind and Dhamma, control of the sense organs. Now Narada has a question on his face. If they are going to the other world, the actions performed by them, will they fetch them good or not? Now, reading this question from Narada's face, Brahma answers, these actions, good actions or karmas, definitely bear the fruit, which is called prasiddhi, the success bestowed on them by Bhagavan. Narada now understood the second step also. Even after death, their actions are given the fruits or the phala. By practicing Shama and Dhamma, good actions should be performed, and the fruit is Anugraha of Bhagavan. When those good persons leave this world, their shariras alone are destroyed. Jivatmas alone exist. The fruits of their actions, like a place in the Swarga and many other things, are given by Ajaha, the Paramatma who is beyond birth and death. Pranams to my mom, Srimati A.K. Pattamal, with love, Chandra.